Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the Alex topic, finding a point that partitions a segment in the plane in a given ratio. So in order to do this, hold on, let me move my camera just a tad. We're going to do more or less the same thing you would do if it was a number line, but since I have two coordinates, I'm going to do it twice. So I want to figure out what my total distance is, both horizontally and vertically, and then I'm going to use my ratio to break those down. So let's just give ourselves a little visuals here. So let's find our horizontal distance. So I'm going from -6 to 21, which is a total distance right now of 27, right? 21 minus -6. And I'm here for vertical, I'm starting at 5, going down to -13 for a distance of 18. Okay, so that's my total distance right now. And I want to break this down. So we want n in the middle there, so that this top part to this one is 4 to 5. So almost in the middle, but not quite. So this is a total number of pieces of 9, right? Since this is a ratio, we're going to add them together. And that gives us 9 total pieces, 4 here and 5 down here. So I'm going to take each of these numbers and break them into, basically 9 pieces. So I'm going to divide by 9. So if I do 27 divided by 9, that gives me 3, right? And here we have 18 divided by 9, which is going to give us 2. So if I break each of this into 3 pieces, into 9 pieces, each one will be 3 long. And if I bring this one into 9 pieces, each one will be 2 long. And I want, basically, you can pick either side, but I'm going to go from here, because that's what's listed first. So I need to go 4 units here and 4 units here. And then the last one should be 5 and 5 to get my total of 9. So 4 units that are each 3 long is going to be 12. So I want to go 12 units this way. And then here, I want to go 4 units that are each 2, so I want to go 8 units that way. And then if you just want to see how the whole thing fits in, the last one's going to be 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. So if you add up the 2 horizontal pieces, you do get 27, and the 2 vertical pieces, you get that 18. So I'm basically taking the total distance, just breaking it into partitions. Hence that partitioning. So, but I only care one way or the other. So I'm just going to pick M and go to N. If you wanted to go the other way, you could. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to take my M point, which is -6, 5, and I'm going to try and change it to my N, which I don't really know what it is, but I know it's -6, and I'm going right, so plus 12. Okay. And 5, and I'm going down, so -8. So we're going to keep using those right, lefts, up, down, positive, negative orientations. So if I clean this up, -6 plus 12 is just 6. 5 minus 8 is -3. So that should be the coordinates of my point. So it should be at 6, -3. If you want to check, you can do the last transformation as well to make sure it does work. So if I go another 15 to the right, that will end me at 21. If I go another 10 down, I'll be at -13. So just double checking, it does work. So that should, right off the end there, that should be your answer.